everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using cucumber. I'm just juicing it because that's what I'm going to drink this morning. Along with my cucumber, I'm going to be using my ginger, a little bit ginger in it, and I also will garnish it with two other things, ingredients that I will actually introduce to you guys when I get there. Okay, drinking cucumber juice gives you healthy skin from within. It is high in vitamins and minerals, and it improves your skin, leaving it rejuvenated. This perhaps due to cucumber's high antioxidant levels, which calm inflammation in the body. It reduces the likelihood of redness and puffiness, and even reduces blemishes. Okay, so I'm going to be juicing it, and this is what I'm going to do, and I will juice my ginger along with it. Okay, so I need my crater. I'm going to crate it because it's easy. That's why I have this large bowl right here and my strainers. Okay, so let me cut off the edges. Yes, cut off. I want to be drinking this every morning. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and crate this. Very easy. And you can also put this on your skin, directly on your skin. It will help fade away puffiness. It will help remove blemishes, and give you clear, blemish-free skin. Beautiful, actually, skin. Okay, so I have enough right there for now. I'm going to juice the rest later. So I'll just go ahead and juice a little bit of my ginger to go into it. Ginger is very rich in antioxidants as well, and it will help reduce inflammation in your body. So it's like I actually take ginger every day. It's one of the things that I make sure I consume daily. Okay, so I have my ginger along with my cucumber. So what I want to do now is to strain it. In order to strain, I'm going to strain it directly into my cup. So I'm going to be using this small strainer right here. So let me just move this aside and then bring my cup to the focus. So I have my cup right there, and I will take both my ginger and my cucumber, dump them inside this strainer, and then I'll squeeze it with a spoon. Okay, so what I need now is a spoon. It's already even juicing on its own because cucumber is full of water. So let me get a bigger spoon. So I'm going to get a big spoon. Okay, so I have a big spoon. It's already juicing on its own, so without me even pressing it. So now it's juicing, and this is what I'm going to drink first thing in the morning every day this week. And it usually tastes very fresh and healthy. You cannot go wrong with this. So it's like you're maintaining your beauty from within, from inside of you. So what I'm pressing here is ginger and my cucumber grated. Okay, so now I have both of them. This is my juice right here. It's going to be more than this, but I just want to show you guys as a sample. And then two other things I'm going to be adding are my lemon. Okay, we all know that lemon is very rich in vitamin C, and it's loaded with antioxidants. So I'm just going to put a little dash of it. Okay, and also last thing I'm going to be putting is my cinnamon. Okay, just a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, just a tiny dash of each, and this is what I'm going to be drinking. This is perfect for your health. And you know, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants also. It will help take care of your beauty from inside. It will help you radiate, and it will also help in reducing, you know, calming your skin down, calming your body down. And also I understand that it helps with, you know, reduce blood pressure. I'm not sure about that one, so because that's a health issue thing, so I don't want to claim that. But you know, I know I have used it on my skin before, and it worked tremendously in removing a scar that I have at the back of my hand right here. Okay, bon appetit. This is so good. This is so good. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also share this video with everyone. You know, everyone can benefit from this, and it's such a short video, and it's loaded with something that you can truly benefit from. Thank you.